Ooh, I got my heating pad here. I had this heating pad today actually because I woke up, it's not mine, it's my wife's, but I woke up and my neck was killing me. So I had the heating pad on for most of the day. It's probably a sign of old age. Regardless, what I want to do is every Friday kind of give you an update on my writing journey. This is exactly why I'm kind of starting this vlog. It's been a week. It's kind of why I'm starting this vlog back up again, just so it can kind of track my journey in the writing space. So Fridays are going to be update Fridays. It doesn't really rhyme, but that's all I could think of.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
All right, so if you don't know who I am, my name is Gary. I am a writer. I don't have anything published yet, but it will be coming very, very soon. I am from Canada. I don't know if I need to go over this stuff again. I'm not going to. All right, so this week I got a couple emails, one from my agent, which is awesome. One thing I love about agents, and this is obviously my first agent, but if this is the case for all agents, then gosh, this is amazing because agents critique your work as well before they get to editors. And I don't know how deeply they get into it, but luckily enough, I think I'm lucky enough that my agent looked at a piece that I am thinking about submitting and really gave me some like valuable feedback on how I can make some changes to make it better. And I don't know if all agents do that, but that is one of the benefits of having an agent. It's just getting like really valuable eyes on a manuscript before you submit it to a publishing company, publishing house, or whatever. I worked a lot this week on a middle grade novel that I haven't told anyone about and probably won't tell anyone about for a very long time, but I love it. I really, really love the book. I love the concepts. I love the ideas. I really, 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 really love the characters, and I love the community. I love the community. I'll tell you a little bit about it, to be honest, but very little. It is about a group of black kids from Canada in a community. That's all I'm going to tell you. But I love it. I really do love it. So hopefully when I feel comfortable, hopefully this book that I'm talking about right now will eventually reach the world so I can come back to this video and be like, ha, I did it. Other than that, I've spent a lot of time this week restructuring, rethinking about the manuscript that, my second manuscript that is a part of my contract, and that was quite challenging. But I have been very proud of myself of just like turning off and turning on in regards to not forcing myself to create something that my brain and mind and body wasn't feeling. So I was in and out of that manuscript a lot this week, oftentimes in a really good place while doing it. I never felt frustrated with it because whenever I felt like there was some sort of like, I don't want to call it a block, but when I couldn't find the words, I just switched it up and went to the middle grade or watched something. And I think that's very, very, very valuable. And I'll eventually talk about some of the things that I do to get my mind away from the writing throughout the day. I think that would be super valuable for any writer out there. But this week, I feel like I did an extremely good job of just like not getting in my own head. But it has been challenging. It has been challenging because my editor talked about a certain concept that I had, and I changed it. I changed some of it based on her feedback, right? So she hasn't looked at it yet and we haven't talked yet, but hopefully she enjoys it and likes what I did, but we'll see. Saturday plans, I kind of just hope to relax. I often do write on Saturdays, but I also try to get out a little bit more. Here in the Philippines, you can get out. You're still wearing a mask. You don't need to wear a shield. You can't really eat inside, but you can eat outside. The cases are still, I don't know, it's weird. I guess I want to say they're still quite bad. Like the Philippines is extremely big and we're getting around 15,000 cases a day, which is a lot. The Philippines is a very big place. So I don't know what that ratio is, if that's the right word, or percentage is based on the number of people that are here, but it feels like a lot. I know that the city, in regards to Manila, is mostly vaccinated, but regardless, you still need to walk around with caution and social distance and wear your mask and et cetera, et cetera. But overall, this week has been pretty good. I'm pretty happy where I am. I saw my therapist this week, and I think that is also one of the reasons why I'm feeling good. Shout out the therapist. I was never really open about seeing someone or talking to someone about my feelings, but it's been really, really good. All right, well, until next week. Well, sorry, until tomorrow. It's always been nice. Stay blessed, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Peace.